Welcome to IACE. Right now, it's time for SSC Pure Maths quiz time. Right? Question number one. First question. In triangle ABC, right? It's a geometry question, right? So, 45 seconds. 45 seconds time. Easy question. Even 45 is also very big time. CHSL 2018. See, right? In triangle ABC, AB is 7, BC is 24 and AC is 25. By observing this numbers only, you can identify 7, 24, 25. It's a triplet. So it forms a which triangle? A right angled triangle. It's a right angled triangle, right? 7, 24, 25. ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is 7, BC is 24 and AC is 25, right? G is the centroid of the triangle. Then what is the length of BZ, right? So already we know, so if O is the midpoint, if O is the midpoint, then what happens? So in a right angle triangle, so if O is the midpoint, we know one condition. What is the condition? We know OA equal to OB equal to OC అని నేర్చుకున్నాం. సో దట్ ఆల్సో వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ద మిడ్ పాయింట్, దట్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ సర్కమ్ సెంటర్ అని కూడా అంటాం. సో అండ్ దట్ రేడియస్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఓఏ ఓబి ఓసి, దట్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ సర్కమ్ రేడియస్ అని కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం, అవునా? సో ఆల్వేస్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఓ ఇస్ ద మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఇన్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్, దట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇన్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్, if from O is the midpoint or M is the midpoint, then immediately OA equal to OB equal to OC, all three are equal, and that is equal to circumradius. Not only circumradius, OB is median. Median and ఏంటి? So a median bisects the two, bisects into two. So BO is the median. So on the median, G is the centroid. So this BZ we have to find, right? So it divides in the ratio of 2:1, right? Over. So total length is how much? 25. Means this is how much? 25 by 2. This is 25 by 2. And this is also how much? 25 by 2. So this is equal to 25 by 2. So OB is 25 by 2. OB is 25 by 2. So BZ we want. What is BZ? Out of three parts, total how many parts? Out of three parts, how many parts we want? Two parts. Of total length is how much? 25 by 2. So that is how much? 25 by 3. So what is BZ value? BZ value is 25 by 3. So 8 and 1 by 3. So option D is the right one. ఇక్కడ తెలియాల్సిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి? In a right angle triangle, if O is the midpoint, then OA equal to OB equal to OC, and that is equal to circumradius. Okay, not only that, OB is a median. Okay, so it divides in the ratio of 2:1. So అయిపోయింది, right? So that is the specialty for right angle triangle, right? Then next one, algebra question, 30 seconds time. So direct formula question. Direct formula question. Okay, see. So what is given? If 5 root 5 x cube minus 81 root 3 y cube divided by root 5 x minus 3 root 3 y equal to some expression is given, then what is the value of 6a plus b minus root 15c and again. See, if you observe, this is in the form of a cube, this is in the form of b cube, right? So how I am writing, just see, 5 root 5. So I am writing this 5 root 5. This 5 root 5 I'm writing as root 5 and right root 5 x whole cube, whether we can write like this. So 5 root 5. Root 5 x cube means x whole cube means 5 root 5 x cube. Similarly, this 81 root 3, how we can write 3 root 3, 3 root 3 y whole cube, right? So 3 root 3 whole cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Root 3 into root 3, root 3, 3 root 3, 27 3 is 81, 81 root 3 exactly. So 3 root 3 whole cube by root 5x minus 3 root 3 y. So what is there in numerator? A cube minus b cube. In denominator, what is there? A minus b. What is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Right? So how we can write? Root 5x minus 3 root 3y into square. That means how we can write root 5, or directly I'm writing a square. What is a square? What is a square? See, a square means root 5x whole square. A square, root 5x whole square means 5x square plus ab. What is ab? 5 into root 3 root 3 and means 3 root 15 xy plus y square. Y square means 3 root 3 whole square. 3 root 3 whole square means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 y square by same thing root 5x minus 3 root 3 y. What happens? Both are cancelled. Even unnecessary. Directly we can write this. This direct గా రాసేయొచ్చు. ఆ ఫార్ములా ఒక్కటి తెలియాలి. This is equal to how much? He is telling ax square plus by square plus cxy. Right? So what is a from here? X square. So what is a? A is 5. What is b? By square. So b is how much? B is 27. And c. What is c? C is how much? 3 root 15 xy. So 3 root 15. So whatever the equation we want, that we can find. 6a. 6 into 5 plus b. B means 27 minus root 15c. That means root 15 into 3 root 50 means, so 30 plus 20, 57 minus 15 3 is 45. That is how much? 12. So what is the answer? 12 is the right answer. So option A is the right answer. Very simple question. ఊరికనే ఇక్కడ రాయడం తప్ప ఇంకేం లేదు. Only formula you have to know. This is the formula. A cube minus B cube. Other than that, nothing is there. Okay? Very simple. Right. Then next one. Explanation part కి అక్కడ రాయడం తప్ప కానీ, so directly we can write the answer. Right. Next one. It's a mensuration question. 30 seconds time. Very simple question. It's a problem belong to cone. See, what is that? The volume of a cone is given. So what is the volume of a cone? I'm drawing the cone. So what is the volume of a cone? 1/3 pi r square h. So common formula also we discussed, 1/3 into base area into height. The radius, height, and this is slant height, right? So what is the volume formula? 1/3 pi r square h is how much? 924. The height is given how much? 18. Height is 18. Then what is the base area? What is the base area? Base area is how much? Pi r square. It is a circle. So that is the base area. Base area is a circle. So pi r square we have to find. That means this pi r square we have to find. H we know. Very simple. That is 1/3 into pi r square into h. What is h? H is how much? 18 equal to 924. 3 ones, 3 6. 6 ones, 154. So 154. So option A is the right. So pi r square base area is pi r square. That is how much? 154. So 154 is the right answer. Very simple. అంతేగాని కూర్చొని r న ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ పై r స్క్వేర్ మాత్రం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన పని. సో 1/3 పై r స్క్వేర్ h లోనే పై r స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. ఓకే, చాలా మంది ఆవేశంగా ఏంటి? సో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ r. ఆర్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఆర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ బేస్ ఏరియా పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ ఫైండ్ 2 టైమ్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇంత 1/3 పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ హెచ్ ఆల్రెడీ బేస్ ఏరియా ఈస్ దేర్, సో డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద బేస్ ఏరియా. Okay, right. So what is the answer? 154 is the right answer. Then next one. So again geometry question, right? 45 seconds. It is also a very simple question. This model question also repeatedly in SSC we are getting. Repeatedly this model we are getting. See, what is that? Two circles of radii 15 and 12 intersect each other. Two circles are there. Two circles are there. Both are intersect each other, right? So intersect each other. This is the center for this circle and this is the center for this circle. The length of the common chord is 18. What is the length of the common chord? Let it be, this is A and this is B. So common chord, this is the length of the common chord. Common chord is CD. So the length of the common chord is C. So I'm joining the centers. If I joining the center, let it be M. So then immediately what happens, that line divides the chord into two equal parts, right? So total is a 18, means top part is how much? 9 and bottom part is how much? 9. Here it is forming a right angle. So first one, radius is how much? The radius of the bigger one is 15 and radius of the smaller one is 12, right? So then find the distance between the center. AB value we have to find. Very, very simple question. Here, how many right angle triangles we are forming? Two right angle triangles we are getting, right? So in triangle AMC, in triangle AMC, no need to do. Triangle AMC, 9, 15. What is the combination? 9, 12, 15. That is the combination. 9, 12, 15. 3, 4, 5. Multiply with 3. 9, 12, 15. So what is 9 and 15 is the hypotenuse. So what is AM? AM is how much? 12 over. And coming to second triangle. In triangle CMB, CMB, in triangle CMB, 9, 12 is there. ఇక్కడ పొరపాటున చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ చేస్తుంటారు. అరే 9, 12 is there. So what is the other one? 15 అని వేసేయకూడదు. So 15 is always hypotenuse. Here 15 hypotenuse లేదు. Okay, it's not a right angle triangle combination. Here if it is 15, then it's a combination. Okay, miss అవ్వద్దు. Okay, so what happens? 12 square equal to, from here, from Pythagoras theorem, 12 square equal to 9 square plus BM square. Right, so BM equal to how much? Square root of 144 minus 81. That is how much? 3, 14, 14 minus 8, 6. So 9, 7, 63. So 3 root 7. So BM is 3 root 7, right? So this is 3 root 7. So what is the total distance? 12 plus 3 root 7. So 12 plus 3 root 7. Option D is the right answer. Simple. One is a right angle triangle combination, 9, 12, 15. Another Pythagoras theorem మనం యూస్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకు? సో ట్రిప్లెట్ కోడ్ లేదు కాబట్టి, సో ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఎ రూట్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, వెరీ సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్. ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇప్పటికి ఒక 6-7 టైమ్స్ ఎస్ఎస్సీలో అడుగుంటాడు. సేమ్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, రైట్. Then next one, again algebra question, sorry, it's a geometry question. Okay, 45 seconds. Yes, it is also a very easy question. So only thing we have to read, for to read it takes time, remaining is very simple. CGL 2018. So this is the concept belongs to in center, in center, in circle concept, in center, in circle, in radius concept. సో అక్కడ నేర్చుకున్న కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నుంచి ఇది మనం చేస్తాం. వెరీ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. See, right? A circle is drawn inside a triangle ABC. A circle is drawn inside a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if a circle is drawn, that means this we call it as in circle. If a in circle is drawn for ABC, that is the point he is telling. So it touches AB touches at R, BC touches at P, and CAC touches at Q. So this is the point he is telling. If AQ is 4.5, PC is 5.5, BR is 6, then what is the perimeter of ABC? Very simple. Fraction of seconds. 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 16. 16 to 32 is the right answer. So option A is the right answer. We'll see. What is that? So what is the value given? AQ is how much? 4.5. PC is 5.5. And BRE is 6. Then what is the perimeter? Perimeter means what is the perimeter? AB plus BC plus CA. Right? So in a incircle concept we discussed, one concept we discussed. If any incircle is drawn in a triangle, if any incircle is drawn in a triangle, then these two lengths are equal. These two lengths are equal. And these two lengths are equal. And మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. Right? So AR equal to AQ. BR equal to BP, CQ equal to CP. So this is the concept we know. So over. So this is 4.5 means this is 4.5. 6 means 6. This is 5.5 means 5.5. So what is the sum? What is AB? AB. So AB plus BC plus CA means everything we are getting 2 times. That means 2 times of 4.5 plus 5.5 plus 6. That is how much? 32. So option A is the right answer. Very simple. లేదు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఏబి ప్లస్ బీసీ ప్లస్ సిఈ వేస్తాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏబి? ఏబి ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 10.5. ఏబి ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 10.5 ప్లస్ బీసీ. వాట్ ఈస్ బీసీ? 6 ప్లస్ 5 11.5 ప్లస్ వాట్ ఈస్ సిఏ? సిఏ ఈస్ 10. సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ మచ్? 32. ఎలా అయినా వేయచ్చు. ఎనీవే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ డబుల్ 2 times వస్తుంది. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ హౌ మచ్? 32 is the right answer. So that is the concept you have to know. Here I am writing again. So the points I am writing. So if a in circle is drawn, what is the condition? AR equal to AQ, BR equal to BP, and CQ equal to CP. So this is the point you have to know. Okay. So a lot of points we discussed for in circle concept. In circle on it. That one of the easiest concept. Okay. Right. Then next one. So again a geometry question, right? 30 seconds time. Simple question. See, so the radius of a circle with center O is 10. Okay, so the radius is 10. PQ and PR are the chords of 12. So two equal chords, both are starting from a point P only. So whose length is how much? 12. So if PO cuts the chord QR at S, what is the length of OS? Right? So one concept you have to know. Right, now see. So this is the center. So two chords are the PQ, PR, whose length is how much? 12, 12, right? And the radius is how much? 10. The radius is 10. Now what happens? This PO cuts a QR at S. I'm joining QR. So this QR at S, right? Then what is OS? This OS length is how much? So that length we have to find. Okay, see. So if I join again like this, what happens? This is 10 means this is also how much? 10 only, right? So that part is also 10. Why? Because this is radius and that is also radius. Now if I join, now what is the first point we have to know means, so what is, let it be, this is M. What is PM? PM is the diameter. Diameter అనగానే మనకు ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ గుర్తు రావాల్సింది ఏంటి? యాంగిల్ ఆన్ ఏ సెమీ సర్కిల్ ఈజ్ 90 degrees. So angle PQM equal to 90 degrees angle on semicircle. ఇదంతా ఓన్లీ బోర్డ్ మీద రాయడం వరకే ఇది. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ఏంటి సో డైరెక్ట్లీ ఎస్ దిస్ ఇస్ 90 అని రాసేయడం అంతే, రైట్? నౌ సి ద నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇన్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ perpendicular to hypotenuse. This is the clue already I told. So in a classroom we discussed perpendicular to hypotenuse. ఈ వర్డ్ ఎక్కడైనా సో whenever you are observing, so 5 points we have to remember అని మనం గుర్తెచ్చుకున్నాం, రైట్? సో perpendicular to hypotenuse. So this is QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PM. Then so out of 5 points, what is the required point that I am writing, right? See, QP square equal to what is the condition? QP square very tends, QP square very tends at P. So from P, don't leave that P nunchi rai PS into PM. So this is the point we discussed. What is that? Perpendicular to hypotenuse. E point కనపడితే ఎనీ టైమ్ యు ఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ perpendicular to hypotenuse. నేను ఒక పాయింట్ రాసాను, టోటల్ 5 points are there. So 5 points, out of which only 1 point I write QP square equal to PS into PM. What is QP? QP is how much? 12. So 12 square equal to PS. So PS we don't know, PS we don't know, into PM. What is PM? PM is how much? 10 plus 10, that is 20. So what is PS? 144 by 20 means how much? 7.2. So PS is 7.2. So PS is 7.2 means what is OS? OS equal to OS. ఈ పార్ట్ కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? 10 నుంచి 7.2. That means this is how much? 2.6. 2.8. 2.8 అంతే కదా. సో OS equal to what happened? OS equal to OP minus PS. OP is how much? 10 minus 7.2, that is how much? 2.8. Option B is the రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడ మీకు తెలియాల్సింది ఒకే ఒక పాయింట్, సింగిల్ పాయింట్. ఇదంతా మనం రాసుకోవడానికి తప్ప ఓన్లీ 1 పాయింట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్. perpendicular to hypotenuse. Perpendicular to hypotenuse is 5 points you have to remember. ఈ 5 points ని తెలియాలి. ఓకే, సో వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ దట్ వన్, చాలా సింపుల్, విత్ ఇన్ సెకండ్స్ లో మనకి అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, algebra question, right? Again 30 seconds time. Why I'm giving 30 seconds time? So try to assume the values, then within seconds you can do. Assume the values. సో ఆల్జీబ్రాలో మీరు అజ్యూమ్ చేసే క్యాపబిలిటీ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయగలిగితే దెన్ ఆల్జీబ్రా క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. సిమిలర్లీ ఇన్ ట్రిగనామెట్రీ. ఓకే, సో ఆ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అనేది బాగా డెవలప్ చేయండి, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ. See, what is given? A plus B plus C is 5. A square plus B square plus C square is 27. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 125. Then find the value of 4ABC, right? If you observe here, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 125. It's a perfect cube, right? Correct ga cube undi. Enti A cube undi, it is 5 cube. Avuna? 5 cube undi exact ga. So 27 ఉంది. దీన్ని కూడా 25 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 అని రాసాం అనుకోండి. 25 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 అంటే 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అంటే 1 ప్లస్ 1, అది స్క్వేర్స్ లో రాయొచ్చు, రైట్? అంటే ఇప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఈ 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్ 27 అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ 5 రావాలి, అవునా? సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ జస్ట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ if I take A as 5, B as 1 and C as minus 1, what happens? Just see. So now here it is tallied or not? 5 plus 1 minus 1, exactly 5 tallied. 5 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. Square means always will get positive. 27 exactly tallied. Tally in the leda. And 5 cube plus 1 cube plus minus 1 whole cube plus 1 cube minus 1 whole cube, both are cancelled. Exactly 125 tally in the leather. So what are the values of ABC? ABC values are 5, 1, minus 1. అంతే, ఇదొక్కటే మీకు తెలియాలి. సో వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో దెన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ ఈజీ. వాట్ ఈస్ 4abc? ఎనీథింగ్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ 4abc కాదు, ఏమైనా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. వాట్ ఈస్ 4abc? 4 into 5 into 1 into -1, that is how much? -20. సో ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. చాలా సింపుల్ గా చేయొచ్చు. వెన్ యూ కెన్ ఎజ్యూమ్, మీరు నెంబర్స్ ని ఎజ్యూమ్ చేయగలిగితే, ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలంటే మినిమం టు మినిమం 1 minute టైం యూ విల్ టేక్. టూ ఫార్ములాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్. వన్ ఈజ్ a plus b plus c whole square formula, and another one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula. So two formulas we have to use. ఏంటి? సో a plus b plus c whole square formula, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, right? So a square plus b square plus c square తెలుసు, a plus b plus c తెలుసు. So from here we have to find ab plus bc plus ca find out చేయాలి. ఆ తర్వాత a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc ఫార్ములాకి వెళ్ళాలి. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ 1/2 into a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. అప్పుడు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ab plus bc plus ca తెలుసు, a square plus b square plus c square తెలుసు, a plus b plus c తెలుసు, అన్ని a cube plus b cube plus c cube కూడా తెలుసు, అన్ని తెలుసు. సో దెన్ విల్ గెట్ abc వాల్యూ అనేది వస్తుంది. వన్స్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ abc వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? abc యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ -5 వస్తుంది. వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యు నో abc 4abc అని ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఇది ప్రొసీజర్. ఇదంతా చేయాలంటే హార్డ్లీ ఖచ్చితంగా 1.5 minute. అదే ఎజ్యూమ్ చేస్తే ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్లో అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో 10-15 secondsలో కూడా. కానీ ఆ లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ని మీరు డెవలప్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, రైట్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. సో ఆల్జీబ్రా క్వశ్చన్, రైట్ 45 seconds. Similar style of questions we are getting. That means direct formula based question we are getting. See, 45 seconds. Only one formula you have to know. Simple one formula you have to know. Cancellation. That's it. See, what is that? A cube minus b cube formula is there here. That's it. 3 root 3 x cube minus 2 root 2 y cube means how we can write this? Root 3x whole cube minus root 2y whole cube equal to, this is given, root 3x minus root 2y of ax square minus bxy plus cy square. That is the condition given. What is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into, that means root 3x plus, sorry, minus root 2y. A minus b into a square. A square means 3x square minus plus ab. Ab means root 3 into root 2 or root 6 xy plus b square. B square means 2y square equal to root 3x minus root 2y into ax square minus bxy plus cy square. Only formula. ఇది కూడా ఏం అవసరం, డైరెక్ట్ గా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ రాసేయచ్చు. సో ఓన్లీ ఫర్ explanation I am writing here. That's it. So from here, what is a? A is how much? 3. What is b? B is how much? Minus, sorry, here I'm plus ana. Okay, so ఇక్కడ minus ఇచ్చాడా? So what is b? By minus root 6, and c is how much? 2. So what is the value we have to find? A square minus b square plus c square. That is a square is 9 minus b square. So b square is 6 means minus 6 plus 4 means how much? 7, right? So what is the answer? Option C is the right answer. Okay, careful ga cheyandi. b square is 6 minus 6 kaadu, so ikkada minus, so minus b square avutundi, minus 6 avutundi. Okay, so answer is how much? 7 is the right. Only formula. What is the formula you have to know? I am writing again. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula we have to know. Yokka formula teliyali ante, right? Next one. Again, geometry question. 45 seconds. So this is the concept concentric circles. Right. See. So what is the question? Two concentric circles of radii 15 and 9. Concentric circles means circles having same center, right? Circles having same center. So these two are concentric circles, both having the same circle. Let it be the center is O. Okay. What is the length of the chord of the larger circle, which is tangent to the smaller circle, which is tangent to the smaller circle? So I'm drawing a tangent to the smaller circle. So this is the tangent to the smaller circle. So this is the tangent to the smaller circle and chord to the bigger circle. Avuna? Then find the tangent or chord length. So what is the radius of the smaller circle is given? The radius of the smaller circle is 9 and the radius of the bigger circle is how much? 15. Very simple. Here it is forming a which triangle? Right angled triangle. 9 combination 9, 12, 15. So this is the combination. 9, 15 is there. So what is the remaining? This is 12. So this is 12 means this is also how much? 12. So what is, let it be, this is AB. So what is the chord? Chord is how much? AB is how much? 24. Very simple question. So what is the length of the chord, or what is chord? So bigger circle chord length or smaller circle tangent length? What is that? 24. So option A is the right answer. Okay. So that concept you have to know here. Very simple. A simple right angle triangle is forming. Okay. That means you have to remember the triplet codes, right?